Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Seronia back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install this lovely hair provided by LuvMe Hair. One of the best hair business ever. Yeah, I love the hair. Anyway, so if you want to learn how to install a headband wig, or you just want to see if you should buy this, what you should, then keep on watching.
Alright, so we starting off with freshly washed hair. Do not come for my hair color because I tried to do something and it did not work. But yeah, I'm just going to take my spray water bottle and I'm just going to wet my hair up because you know this 4C hair is hard to deal with. So we got to wet it to make it more manageable. But anyway, it's been forever since I talked to y'all. So how y'all 2020 been? Because I know mine have been, it's been a fight. But anyway, y'all let me know how y'all 2020 been. Y'all, I was being so extra, but I honestly hate this gel, but I did not have no eco styling gel. But yeah, I'm just gonna use that to I'm so extra, ew. But anyway, I'm just gonna use that gel to slick my hair back because I'm not gonna be braiding it down because I feel like it's pointless when you put on a headband wig. So I'm just gonna slick it back into a slick little ponytail. So this part right here is not necessary. I just did it because, like I said, I got 4C/4B. I don't know what I have. But anyway, I got hair that like want to stick up sometimes. So I just put the cap on to make it dry and kind of mold into place. And then I just slid it back just to keep my hair intact and to protect my hair when I have on my wig. I'm so excited to put on this wig, y'all. But this is the wig. I think it's Kinky Straight 16-inch. And it's the headband wig. It comes with 4 clips on the inside, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and 2 on the side. And usually I would cut those clips off on a regular wig, but I use those to make sure my wig stays on my head. Also come with a strap, little velcro strap in the back, and it's actually really strong. Like I thought it was gonna be like coming apart, but nah, it was pretty good. And then I'm just gonna turn around, and I put the back comb underneath my cap. And then when I turn to the front, I put my front comb first, and then I put my 2 side combs just to make sure it's secure. And it's not a little update after wearing it for a week. I don't like it like that. I actually like to strap it first, then I put the clip underneath the strap. It feels better and it's more secure. It's not uncomfortable either, so like that's like the best part. It's not uncomfortable at all. And that little flip I did with the headband, you don't have to do that either. I just like to make sure nothing's showing. And y'all, this hair did not shed. I think it had like 1 strand. Yeah, that 1 strand right there and nothing else. I was like, yes, bomb, period. Especially for it to be kinky straight. I was like, yeah. I love this hair, and it's so soft, y'all. And right now I'm just gonna straighten it because I don't like the little waves, because if I straighten my real hair, I'm not gonna leave waves in it like that many waves. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, to straighten it to make it look more natural for me. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I got so tired. It was so late at night, so I did not finish straightening this hair, and I just kind of blow dried the top. So that's why I got little waves in it. And yeah, I was super geeked about this hair. But anyway, let's get into what all they sent me. They sent me a wig band, so just in case I want to make my wig tighter. They sent me some bobby pins for security. They sent me this edge brush that I'm about to use in the next clip, cause period. They also sent me an edge wrap to protect these edges. They sent me a clip, and they also sent me some tweezers. So right now I'm just pulling out my edges, because you know I gotta make this look natural. And y'all, my edges look so thin. I was so confused. I was like, what? But anyway, yeah, what I'm about to do now is just slick my edges down like I would do any other hairstyle. Y'all, I never wear my real hair, so I was struggling with these edges. I don't know what I was doing. Like, y'all gonna see, because, yeah, no, this is not a process you should be trusting. Y'all, look at that. But anyway, I went ahead and did it off camera. And then I used the edge wrap to wrap my hair up and make it all set in place. So when I take it off, it'll be flawless, period.
Alright, y'all, let's get into my favorite part. I love this headband. This one is called Bright. It's giving me very much let's look cute while we go run some errands, feeling it. And I love this one as well. This one is called Leopard. Usually I don't do cheetah or leopard print, but it's not giving me old lady, so you know, I mess with it. I do. And this one is called Retro. This is for all my hippie lovers. Love that little throwback look and still trying to be cute. I'm feeling that one as well. This one is called Summer. Definitely giving me summer vibes. Definitely. And this one is called Camo. You know, if you're trying to be incognito or whatever. These are cute, y'all.
I also put on some other headbands so y'all can see how it look with other headbands. Still look fire. I also did a half up, half down, and a couple buns and ponytails. And I just want to thank LuvMe Hair for sending me this headband wig. I love it. It's one of my favorites. Always my go-to. So I recommend that y'all go buy. Okay, bye.